Hey, CheffyK here with a quick video on how to make a tasty herb and cheese omelet from our tasty super salt. Very easy. You're gonna start with 3 eggs. You could use less eggs if you wanted to. You could use 2. You just use a little bit less seasoning. 3 eggs, and then 1 teaspoon of our seasoning salt. Super salt, which is thyme, oregano, basil, salt, black pepper, and our famous base of all of our seasoning salts, that's our garlic salt, or fresh garlic salt. Okay, so just go ahead and do this like you would normally with a little fork or a whisk, and get those eggs beat up a little bit along with the seasoning salt. And then have your pan heating on the stove. Always want to start with a nice warm pan. I'm going to add a tablespoon or so of olive oil. You could use butter if you'd like, or some other fat. And then a rubber spatula. Alright. So really the trick with omelets is just getting to make a nice shell, a little egg shell, so that you can put whatever fillings you want into. You can do a couple of different methods. You can do a scramble method where you just simply scramble the eggs, and you can see how they're starting to coagulate around the edges. And as they do that, you can either let more egg underneath, by moving the eggs that are coagulating, or you can simply scramble until you have a bit of scrambled eggs that are kind of held together with the liquid eggs. I'm just going to do a kind of a combination method. The whole point is just to get the egg in a nice egg sheet, okay? So you can do scrambling method, or you can do this method, or do both. While we're waiting for that, just for a moment, I'm going to grate just a little bit of cheese here to go in our omelet. Got just some Dubliner style Kerrygold cheese, and I'm going to grate it on the fine grater so it melts quickly. I'm just making one omelet, or 1 serving. See how the eggs have set up pretty nicely now? And if you'd like to, run a little bit more underneath there, you can. How cooked you like your omelet is up to you. Some people like them a little bit soft, some people like them fully cooked. Either way is great. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and flip this. You don't have to flip it. You could just put cheese on top and put it under the broiler for a minute, or put a lid on it and put it on low heat and let it finish cooking. But I'm just going to go ahead and flip it and cheese it. I'm going to turn the heat off. There's plenty of heat there to finish melting and doing all that good stuff. And then we're going to roll this out onto our plate, and you can do it by pulling the bit forward and then kind of sliding it out onto the plate, and you end up with a very nice omelet. Nice and herby, delicious, garlicky flavor. Let's cut that thing in half and see how it looks inside. Very nice. I wonder if it tastes any good. Let's see.